And we're bringing you some breaking news from the Supreme Court, which has now directed and said that voters can reject contesting candidates in a poll. Remember that the Supreme Court has now directed the Election Commission to provide a button in the EVM to give a choice to voters to reject candidates. Remember, this was something that the Election Commission was in favor of, and now voters do have that right. You can, in fact, when you go to a poll, if you don't want to vote for any of the candidates that have been put up in your constituency, you can now reject those candidates. There will be another option. An EVM will give you a choice to reject those candidates, and there will be an option that says that you don't have to, in fact, register your vote there. All right, we do have with us a former Chief Election Commissioner T. Krishnamurthy. Sir, thank you very much for speaking to NDTV. Your first reaction there to that Supreme Court order today.
Well, I am extremely delighted to hear the news that the Supreme Court has supported the move to have an extra button to reject the candidates. In fact, personally, I am happy because this petition was filed when I was in the Election Commission, and the Election Commission wholeheartedly supported. It's unfortunate it has taken more than 5 years to deliver this judgment. However, we welcome it although belated. The second point I would like to say is that it will also check impersonation, because under the existing law, Rule 49O, people can go and register their protest vote without voting in the electronic voting machine. But it had one deficiency, namely the secrecy was not preserved. Now, with the introduction of an extra button, it will automatically provide the privacy and the secrecy. Any voter can go and reject all the candidates. The third important fallout is the political parties will now be compelled to put up better candidates, so that these the normal, ordinary or defective or people with criminal record, etc., they can be outright rejected by the parties. Only one possible consequence is if the number of people who reject all the candidates exceeds 50% of the voters. But this is not immediately a serious problem. But if it wants, as in other countries, we can introduce a system by which if the number of voters who resort to none of the above option exceeds 50%, we can have a second round of election in that constituency.